everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing and giving you my first impressions of a true grooming powerhouse, the Braun Series 9 Pro. This is Braun's most advanced electric shaver yet, and if you've been considering an upgrade or investing in a premium grooming device, this video is for you. The box itself is beautifully presented, solid, minimal, and premium, just like you'd expect at this price point. As we open it up, you'll realize that everything is neatly laid out and well protected. My first impressions, Braun clearly knows how to make this feel like a luxury product. Without further ado, let me unbox this and give you a glimpse of what we have inside. Here's what you'll find inside the box. You actually have the documentation in the form of a quick start guide and a detailed booklet that explains the working of the shaver itself. This should come in handy for you to get started with using the shaver as soon as you unbox it. And then you have power cord and the cleaning brush, followed by the Smart Care Center, which is Braun's 5-in-1 automatic cleaning, lubricating, drying, and charging dock. Also comes with a cartridge, which can be separately ordered for subsequent cleaning. The charging center, the Smart Care Center itself is kind of flimsily built. It feels very light, although it does what it's supposed to do. Once you've inserted the cleaning cartridge into the charging station, make sure not to move it around too much, as that might result in spillage of the cleaning fluid. And then finally, the shaver itself, which is really beautifully made. It's sleek, it's ergonomic, and absolutely stunning in the hand. It's got a polished chrome finish with a redesigned precision trimmer. It does really feel delightful to hold this. In fact, a couple of key features that make this really unique are the Braun's Pro Lift trimmer, which cuts even flat laying and 3-day beards effortlessly. You also have sonic vibrations that help glide over the skin with very minimal irritation. In fact, it's noticeably smoother and quieter than most other shavers I've used. The 40-degree flexible shaving heads adapt to your contours, ensuring maximum skin contact and comfort. In fact, the shaver is both wet and dry compatible. You can shave with foam, gel, or even in the shower. The display right below the power button indicates the amount of charge left as well as when the shaver is due for a cleaning. I did, however, forget to mention that the shaver is accompanied by a beautiful textured leather case. In the 3 months of using this device, I can confidently say that this is easily one of the most refined and effective shavers I've ever used. If you want the best that Braun has to offer, both in terms of engineering and user experience, this is it. Zero pulling, zero redness, just a clean, close shave that rivals a blade without the hassle. Well, that brings me to the end of today's video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.